Welcome to a MainlyDIY.com video. So today I'm going to make you a party angel. And I'm going to start with this ceramic head that I had purchased, a body head. And then I have a little lace doily here. And a little piece that I glued on the top. For the back, I just used some ribbon that has a little bit of wire in it so I could stretch it out, and that's just gathered together and glued on. So we'll put her head back in there. Okay. So again, that's just a lace collar and a little floral piece that I found that's just glued on there, and then I've made the collar a little bit smaller because it was too big, so I just folded that over and glued it together and glued this ribbon on. And I used E6000 glue on it, otherwise I would have taken it apart and showed you how I did it from scratch. And this is where she becomes the party angel. Cheap little gold party hat, for like a kid's birthday or something like that. And so I am just going to go ahead and put that there so you can see it. And all we do is stick that right on top, and we have our little party angel. Let me zoom out so you can see her, the whole part of her. So here's our party angel all done. Let's set her up and see if you can see her that way. And here she is, our cute little party angel. Really simple to make. Again, I just used a party hat, from the dollar store, something pretty. A ceramic or plastic head, and glued on some collar materials, and I just set it. See, it has this little hole in it, and that's just perfect to set the party hat on. So that's a very quick angel for you.